these were salted already. If they weren't salted in the ingredients, again, there is salt in the ingredients, so it's yeah, it's already, so there is nothing to add here. But if they were plain, wait, let me turn off the light. If they were plain, if they were plain ribs, pork ribs, I would absolutely, and you should absolutely salt them. So just keep that in mind whenever you're cooking something like this. I'm not adding salt for the simple reason that it already has it. Also, if you want to make it a little bit tastier, consider adding something like soy sauce or any very umami, strong, savory, dressing or whatever the fuck. This is again, it is already dressed. There is, in this case, there is some salt, pepper, rosemary, some other Italian, I guess, herbs, and there is garlic. So you do you, but if you want something savory that is easy to obtain, is soy sauce. That is very immediate. This is the time when I start, and this is the time now, so it's roughly 1 hour. So I'm going to take this out. As you can see, it's oh, wait a second, you cannot see. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. They're too hot to handle now. I mean, they are scorching hot, so I'm not gonna touch them. So I'll maybe make a clip as soon as I eat them to tell you what I think about them. They look very promising, and yeah, I mean, you can let them cook more. Again, there is no time requirement. You can cook it for more time. The only thing I'll tell you is that I'll take the fat and put it somewhere, like in a container, so I can use it another time. I'm not gonna waste the lard. It's very precious to me, and it made a lot of it, so yeah, it means it's a good quality rib. Yeah, I think I'll make another clip later, or maybe not. Maybe I'll close the video here. You know what? I don't really feel like recording more. I'll tell you, maybe in the comments, I'll tell you how good it tasted, and yeah, that's kind of it. Smash. Always never find the button. Bye bye. Psych, I'm recording more.
Posso spegnere il forno?
Let's see how this is. Buono, eh? Wow. This is so amazing. Wow. Imagine eating this every day. Let me eat more. It's scorching hot, but I'm ravenous. Smash.